Taizy juicer can process all fiber-containing materials, such as vegetable, fruit, herbal medicine, kitchen remnant, sawdust, etc. There is some video to show. This machine is used for purple potatoes. Put the crushed purple potato into the inlet. The broken rod breaks the material by high-speed rotation. The liquid is squeezed out under the action of the resistance of the screw wall and the coin. The extracted liquid flows out of the sieve hole. The juice extraction rate is generally around 70%. Apple juice video. It is easy to block if the aperture is too small. Screen aperture is generally 1 mm. Grape juice. Small fruit juice. Jujube juice. Onion, ginger, garlic juice. Herbal squeezing. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in this machine, please contact us.